We appreciate our customers. So for this video, we're going to feature some of our customers' rides. A couple of boats featured on here are ones that we did for customers, and a few of the others are ones that customers did for themselves. Either way, we truly appreciate your submissions. Send us photos of what you've done, how proud you are of your Oxidean rigs. I say we have a contest before summer's out. A contest where people can send in pictures and showcase their boats, and people can vote on it and decide who's the best, and they can get a prize. Stay tuned for that.